Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to buy USDT on Gate.io. So for this purpose, first you need to open Gate.io at your PC on your browser. Once you open Gate.io website on your PC, then at the top you have this option Buy Crypto, just click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have three options: Express, P2P trading and Gate card. So you need to tap on Express. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Then here at the top you can see some options. You can change the way of buying crypto from here. Here you can see Express is selected. You can tap on any of them: debit or credit card, bank transfer or P2P. It's your choice. Now come back to this page and here just click on Buy option. Then you have two options: spend and receive. So by default it is selected as USDT and PKR. Just enter the amount of PKR which you want to spend, and by default it will tell you that how much USDT you will have to receive. 1 USDT is of $1. In PKR it is of 280 rupees. So once you enter 280, you receive 1 USDT. Then from here you can select payment method. You have three options: bank transfer, Easy Paisa and Kino. So here I prefer to bank transfer. Then at the bottom you have the option of Buy USDT. Just tap on it. So this way you can easily buy USDT on Gate.io. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.